What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today we're actually working again on the Jeep Wrangler 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. So today we're actually working on the rear. We're actually doing some stuff to the taillights. So on the taillights they're a little bit boring, so what we got is some guards that go on the taillights. So Dennis over here is removing the rear taillights. I'm gonna show you guys how he does that. But basically what we got is like, see if, well, they don't want you to see them. So basically they're just these guards that go on them, makes it nice and tough. So these are some nice big boys that we got. That looks pretty cool. So Dennis, what's the steps?
So
what are we looking
I'll
at?
show you on this side. So right here you have this little panel on the back of your cargo. So you take this panel off and you'll get to where I am currently. You'll have a T40 or it's a 10 mil socket. You take it off. After that you gently pull the LED taillight out,
and you just disconnect it from the harness.
Yeah, basically.
So it's pretty easy, pretty cool. Basically we're going to be taking that out, and then those are going to get sandwiched together to this new taillights. So the link for these taillights are actually going to be marked down in the description, so check that out. Dang, that's a hefty clip.
So it's either a T40 or 10 mil, whatever your choice is. After that,
slowly wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Maybe. Slowly just, oh, yep, slowly just wiggle it out. We'll disconnect the harness. So basically you just remove that tab. That's that. This harness is here. And then we get the new guards. What's your thoughts about these guards?
And honestly, my opinion, I haven't seen them, so let's check them out. First off the bat, they're metal, so I like them.
Oh, that's a actual metal,
cool.
Pretty cool.
So it looks like it sandwiches together.
Yeah, and it comes with all the hardware it needs apparently in there. So we'll see how this goes. So, where are you working? What are you doing?
So in the instruction it says once you take the tail light out, is to remove this panel. So they are, from what I can see, is 3 Phillip head screws. So let's check them out.
So basically on these taillights you do need to remove that center plug over here. Basically a tab, right, this tab, pull it out, and then this plate is just gonna go over it, and that way, basically the reason why they want you to disconnect the wires, so that way is a cleaner wire setup, so that way it's not getting squished. And then once you do that, you just basically put those back in, that clip back in, and you're gonna be putting the housing cover back on, or the mounting cover. And just like that, they'll be putting the screws back in, and that's it. All right, Dennis. So it's a new day. What happened in the past week?
So this company, they sent out the box, and just to give you an example. Oh, that's another example, but there's a gaping hole in the box.
And how did they patch it?
They patched it with this flimsy packing tape, and when
it didn't even stick.
I literally did this when they dropped it off, and it just came off.
So, I mean, but the cool part is this time they actually sent out the screws. So, well, I mean, they sent it out the first time, but it kind of may or not have fallen out. No one's pointing fingers. But basically, what we left off last time is this portion right here of the mounting the housing. So this is the new adapter. Of course, we got our bang right here. We got to have our energy. But I know it's not a monster, boys. Not a monster, just a bang. So this portion right here, we basically taking the housing and we're mounting up the new screws. All right, so pretty much this is the rear housing that we put on, which was pretty much this piece right here. And now this is the front one. We're gonna clean off the headlights. It's always nice and clean because it's gonna be a little difficult to clean the headlight or taillights with this. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that up and then basically mount it up. And as you see from right here, like these holes, if you can see them. I can even see them. Yeah. So back over here, there's 1 and 2 and 3 basically screws or bolts that's gonna be tying in, sandwiching these two together. Alright, pretty much that's basically what you do. You just sandwich them together. And wait, hold on, before you bolt them up, let's just see how this looks. This looks pretty badass, pretty aggressive, so this is pretty cool. What do you think?
Looks cool.
Pretty cool mod on the Jeep. So pretty much once you get it on, you just connect the clip again, and there's only one bolt holding it in from the back. And the cool part is there's actually gasket that came with it as well, so that way it's not touching directly to your paint, so it doesn't scratch it, which is really cool. It's like ta-da. Alright, so here's the final look of these taillight guards. So these came out really, really nice. So that's the passenger and that's the driver. Man, it's a cool little mod for 150 bucks. But that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the subscribe button. Stay safe, stay healthy. Catch you guys next episode. See you guys.